Behind me, we have an amazing single-story house, 3-car garage, over 3,700 square feet. Guys, today we're here in the southwest side of Las Vegas. We are going to be touring the William floor plan by Lennar, so stay tuned. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Bella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're planning on moving, buying, or selling here in Las Vegas, do me a huge favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. Hey, what's going on everyone? So today is August 18, 2025, and today we're here at the Henry by Lennar here in the southwest side of Las Vegas. Now, just to give you guys an idea of where we're located, we're in a great location. We're here right off of Rainbow and Blue Diamond. So for you guys that are not familiar, Southwest area is really popular. On Rainbow, you have plenty of restaurants, plenty of stores close by, along with Blue Diamond as well. So, you know, you do have a Target and EOS and many different restaurants. But the great thing about the Southwest area is how convenient it is to get to the Las Vegas Airport and Strip. You're close to the 15 or the 215, so it's easily accessible. So once you get on the freeway, you get to the Strip, the airport in about 10 minutes. We're here at the Henry. I'm gonna have the floor plans on the screen for you. So they offer 5 different floor plans, okay? They offer 2 single-story floor plans, the Eleanor and the Williams, along with 3 two-story floor plans, which is the Liberty, Paul, and the Justin, okay? Now these homes, you're looking at about 3,500 square feet all the way up to about 42, close to 4,300 square feet homes, okay? So pretty large homes. A lot of these homes are gonna have next-gen suites in them as well. So if you're not familiar with a next-gen suite, great. It's a separate living area that's inside the house. So it's great for multi-general living, as well as, you know, if you have like family, distant family that wants to live with you, okay? But out the door, I mean, when it comes to pricing, the base prices are going to range from about $884,990 all the way up to about $1,124,990. Now, whenever you look at the base price, just so you know, that doesn't include like the upgrades and the lot premiums. So, you know, here at Lennar, for many of these homes, like the quick move-ins, you're looking at about $996 to about 1.2, just over 1.2 million. Okay, now Lennar usually makes spec homes. So when I say spec homes, that just means quick move-in homes. They pick out all the options. These homes are they're either ready now or they're ready within the next few months. Now, if you want to go with an option like that, you are going to get the best deal because the builders are more motivated to sell these homes. But if you want to pick some of your options out, you just have to look at a home that closes in about like 5 or 6 months out. So that way you could still pick cabinets, flooring, countertop, backsplash, and maybe like a structural upgrade or 2, okay? But you have to get in pretty, again, like 5 to 6 months out. Now, the HOA here is going to be about $103 a month. Yes, it is gated. So that's pretty much like all that includes the neighborhood maintenance as well as the gate. Now, as far as the lot square footage, it really ranges here in this community, but they do have some lots here that are pretty large, okay? So, but yeah, that's all I got for you. Let's get started with the tour. Welcome to the William floor plan. Now, this floor plan is a single-story house, 3-car garage, 4 bedrooms, 3 bath, and the base price is $1,157,990. They do have some quick move-ins and move-in ready homes that are priced around 1.2. Paver driveway is included, okay? Desert landscaping is included as well. Now, if you're looking at the garage and you're thinking, why does it look like that? That's because the sales office is inside. So, but yeah, we'll go ahead and take a look. Okay, really neat floor plan as well. So guys, just remember, with quick move-in homes, you're gonna have the most wiggle room as far as like, you know, what you can negotiate versus if you build from ground up, Okay, so you have your living room, kitchen, dining room, and you have this little nice area here as well. Okay, so right when you walk in, it feels very open. Here, we'll start over here to the right. So you're gonna have your door to your garage, which is locked, of course. Okay, now as far as the doors in the Lennar homes, this is what you could always expect to get. You're gonna have these nice 6-panel doors. You have a coat closet. So you have this nice little texture on the wall. You're gonna have flat finish all throughout the house, except for the wet areas, you'll have semi-gloss. Also, you have flat corner edging, okay? These doors are gonna be about 8 feet. You do have a transfer grill up there to help regulate the airflow. Okay, so this is gonna be the powder room. This is what the guests would be using. Single sink quartz countertop. Now, you could also expect this quartz to be in every like spec home as well. Undermount sink, the faucet. Now, the only thing that's gonna be different in the other houses is just gonna be the option selected. So again, flooring, cabinets, countertop, it's gonna be different, okay? So the cool thing about this house as well is this is your laundry room, but it's also connected to your primary walk-in closet. Okay. As you can see, washer and dryer, it says optional. Guys, if you are interested, again, let me know if you're interested in the house. We could definitely make sure that's added on there. Cool, I think it's really nice that it has a sink in the laundry room as well. So you have your smart panel box. This is where you'd connect your internet router and your modem. So right here, there's gonna be the primary walk-in closet. So extremely spacious. This can definitely be its own bedroom, like a bedroom size. Nice, again, I know it's hard to see on the camera, but you do have 10 feet ceilings. So a beautiful bath, walk-in shower. You're gonna have the tub, your 2 sinks, okay? So it looks like the flooring they have here is the tile. Oh wow, okay, so it looks like you have his and her walk-in closets. Yeah, definitely. So you got 2 walk-in closets. They're both pretty good size. You have this tub. Now remember, with Lennar homes, there's no bathroom. There's no other bathroom configuration you can do. So whatever you're seeing in this floor plan, as far as like the standing tub, the walk-in shower, that's all gonna be included, okay? So again, the things that are gonna be different, the tiles surround might be different, this flooring. Bathroom countertops are usually the same, but cabinets are different as well. Okay, so you have a toilet right here. Cool, so I guess this is like your owner's suite, because this is your primary bedroom right over here, and you're gonna have like this little office space. So again, great if if you work remote. Definitely great office right inside your primary bedroom. So great working space here. Okay. So now this is the primary bedroom. It's going to be a king size bed, so plenty of space. You also have a door that will exit to your backyard. And then if you look above, you have the 4 can lights along with a pre-wire for the ceiling fan. Okay, again, usually blinds are not included, but that's usually easy to have included. So again, let me know if you guys are looking for the best deal with these homes. You definitely want to get with an agent that has great relationships with the builder agents. So, okay. So this covered patio right here, the paver driveway, the pavers underneath it is included, but everything else is going to be a dirt lot. And as soon as you move in, you have 6 months to a year to landscape your backyard. Okay, so you have a thermostat right here. Looks like your attic access is going to be right above. Look how open this is. Now guys, if you're interested in new construction, you know, and you're thinking about going to a new construction community for your very first time, do me a huge favor. Give me a call, shoot me a text. I would be honored to go with you on your very first visit and help you out with the process. But if you have a realtor, that's okay too. Just make sure your realtor goes with you. You definitely want representation, guys. The worst thing you could do is going by yourself. The builder agent asks your name, your phone number, email, you give that to them. Because the second you do that, it's going to be hard to get yourself some representation. Now, the builder agents look after the builder's best interest, okay? And we look after your best interest. So that's the huge difference. Okay. And then also too, I know some buyers are hesitant to reach out to an agent just because sometimes they think they have to pay their buyer representation. But I will tell you guys this, I've been helping a lot of buyers out and none of the buyers had to pay me. I always collect my fees from the seller and from the seller if it's resale homes, and as well as from the builders. So if it's compensation you're worried about, you do not have to worry about that with me. Cool. So you have nice backsplash. Again, if you wanted to pick out your options, again, you just have to choose a lot that's about like, I want to say like 5 months out, like as early as you can. So that way you could still have time to choose some things, right? Because the further along, if somebody doesn't choose the options, Lennar is just going to start building. They're going to pick out the options. But again, if it's a move-in ready home, I mean, you're going to get the best deal on those versus the ones that are like 5 or 6 months out. Okay. But yeah, waterfall island, that's a nice upgrade. You have the monogram appliance package that will be included. So this oven, this hood that you see here, as well as that refrigerator. Now, as far as like the faucet, everyone's gonna get this Moen faucet as well as this undermount sink. This dishwasher as well. Okay. So again, no handles. You have this little pull thing device. So, you know, it looks very sleek, modern. Okay, you're gonna have your microwave right here as well. Okay, soft close cabinets. So this is gonna be your pantry. Okay, so it does extend pretty deep. So plenty of space. Yeah, definitely a very wide open floor plan. Okay, so you're gonna have your guest bedrooms over in this side, okay? So here we'll go to this guest bedroom first. This is gonna be a full-size bed. Okay, you also have this light here. You can switch out for a ceiling fan with a light. Now you're gonna have a walk-in closet. This room has its own full bath. Okay, fiberglass shower tub. Got the tile flooring. So this is nice. This area is like a separate little living room area. This could be like a gaming room. You can make this little library as well. So now these two rooms are gonna share a Jack and Jill bath. Okay, so we'll go ahead and check it out. Okay, good sized room. You have 2 large windows to the side. It's gonna allow for some natural light. No walk-in closet here, but it's a wide closet. Shower tub. Okay, got your dual sinks. Then we're gonna enter the other bedroom. So again, no walk-in closet. Looks like you have a standard closet right there. Okay, you got your light up there. And there's gonna be a window to the front of the house. But yeah, guys, that wraps it up for the William floor plan. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you're curious to know what the best deal you could get for these homes are, give me a call, shoot me a text. I would be glad to talk about it. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.